Who can tell the difference? Not me. I can't. Guess what time of year it is? Just kidding, Halloween's canceled. So you're probably on your couch, like me. But I ordered 4 costumes for my dog and I'm going to rate them. Rating my dog's Halloween costumes. Do I have a Halloween costume this year? No. Does Fry have a Halloween costume this year? Yes, he actually has 4 of them. And you're about to see them. Okay, Fry, it's time to get into the shot. It's time to come in the shot. You don't want to try on your costumes you love? Oh, there it is. You love trying on costumes. Okay. So for those who don't know, come here, little booger. This is my dog, Fry.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
He is a Pembroke Welsh Corgi, but if you haven't seen my other videos, I've made a few of him now, so if you like this video, there's more of my dog on this channel. So let's get right into it. Okay, goodbye, Fry. Costume number 1. It looks a little tiny. Uh-oh, I don't think this is gonna fit. You look a little too big for this. Stop. Look at this little hat. Oh, it looks a little tiny. It says it's a large, but I don't think this is a large. Costume number 1, we have a cowboy. So we're just gonna put the little pausey in this. Okay. I think I need to pull it up more. Can it fit around your armpits? Okay, there's that. And then there's this. Is it on? Why are you moving? Can you sit? Stay. Can you spin? That wasn't a spin, but okay. What do we got next? Oh, it's a good one. I'm done.
Wait, SpongeBob! We're not cavemen! We have technology!
A dinosaur. And I think this might fit. You're a little bit long. You're too big. Okay. Can you sit? So as you can see, this one doesn't fit, but you still look so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so bummed this doesn't fit. Moving on to costume number 3. Oh, you're gonna look good in this. The first one's too small, the second one's way too small, and this one is just too big. What am I gonna do? I will say this one fits the best. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hoping this is it. I really hope this is it. Oh, it's a banana. Okay, how's that look? Oh, this might be a good one. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna bring you back here. You're gonna be a banana. The final costume winner. A banana. You look like a good banana. Do you like bananas? Can you get your butt out of my face? Thank you. If you like this video, I can't stop laughing at you. Thank you for making me laugh. You're cute. Last one, banana, without the cap, because. But that's where I'm gonna end this video. The winner is the banana. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. I swear he likes it. Can I do this? Oh my gosh. Long toenails, you gotta trim these things.